Hey, good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at euro dollar on the daily chart. What we can see, uptrend movement, market going into consolidation, break and close below the low, retest of the previous high, seems like a bullish, strong bullish candle. Then a reversal has happened over here. All right. So well, let's move down to the 4-hour chart for more clues. On the 4-hour chart, this was the previous high. Market came down, failed to break this level. Selling opportunity alert. All right, another break and close below the recent support. Another selling opportunity alert over here. Down to the 1-hour chart, what we have, bearish movement, consolidation, a bit of retracement, but created a new low. All right, so back to daily chart, let me share with you my analysis. So over here, I'm looking to short it all the way down to 1.1377. All right, recent news on over the weekend on the Brexit negotiation, they can't reach an agreement at this moment, and of course before that, last week, the Germany Chancellor Angela Merkel, they talk about they will do the best to agree to UK demands and stuff like that, but seems it never happened. Coming week, I think it will be pretty bearish for the euro movement. So just to play safe, I will be placing a trend line over here as well for any retracement on shorting opportunity. Okay, so let's see how we can do this. All right, so right now it is, I want it to retest on the previous high over here to get my alert. Okay, so I'll do a right click, alert, and because it's testing on trend line, I want to get the alert right away rather than wait for it to close. All right, for close is usually the breakout trades and stuff like that. And over here, I just wanted to show on the 4-hour chart, and it's for shorting opportunity. This bullish trend line is still around because if the market did break and close above, I'll wait for the retest of this line and make sure that it doesn't break and close above, and I'll head in for a shorting opportunity. Down to the 1-hour chart. Okay, so over here, another opportunity if the market came back up, a selling opportunity or a break and close below the low for breakout traders to head in for a shorting opportunity. All right, so that's pretty much I have for you today. For euro, I am biased towards the bearish side, and remember always plan your trade and trade your plan. Looking forward to see you soon in our